What up, guys? This is Pastor Canada again. We're coming up with another video um, with CSS, HTML and CSS. So today I wanted just to come up. I'm doing a video after a long time. Yeah, I was kind of busy, but anyway, so we're coming back again to do the videos. So today I want to focus making not a website, a video about perfect perfect circles around your icons. Sometimes when you're working with icons and then you do a circle around it, and sometimes that circle is not perfect. You do a radius 50% and then it looks like all messed up. And also like the padding inside the icons is not well done either, because it happened to me so many times. But today I want to focus doing that, and we'll see how we can fix that and do a perfect circle. All right, so let's do that. We're going to start with our header right here. Okay, we're going to have a class name here. We're going to call it header, and then inside header, which is going to be the parent, um, so we're going to have div a div right here, and we're going to also have a class name by the name icons. And now in here, the icons, that's where the icons is going to come up. So I already have my icons kind of saved somewhere. Okay, cool. So let me just paste it, and we're going to fix it. So we're going to do the icons: Facebook, Google Plus, Twitter, and Instagram. So I got a class name for those. They're going to be Banner Social Media. That's the name of the class for all of the icons. Also, hey, you know what? Actually, I'm missing the link for the font awesome. So how we're going to be getting those icons? So I have a link. Let me copy that link, and there's a cop. Let me copy that link. So I have that link right here. So that should work. Let's just go really quick and take a look at the links. Let's refresh the page. So I have it right here. Okay. All right. So let's go back to the code, to our HTML, and let's work on this. So let's style it. So we're going to do our header first. Header, we're going to do a height. We're going to do a height of 100, view height, and then we're going to do display. We're going to use grid for this little project. Then we're going to do grid template columns, and now we only need one column, and then we're going to do this for 80%. Okay. After that, we're going to do justify content, so it's going to be center, and also we're going to do align items, which is going to be center. So with this we save it, so we should be good. So let's go to the next. Let's target banner, our banner social media. Social media, open and closing curly brackets, and then right here we're going to do display block, and then we have display block, then we have decoration. We're going to do none, and then we're going to have a color. We're going to do black, and then we're going to have a border. We're going to do the rem, so we're going to do 0.1 rem, and then we're going to say solid, and we're going to say black. Border L, we don't need border L. Then we need border radius, We're going to do 50%. And then right here we're going to do 50% radius. What else do we have? We're going to do padding. Yes, we need padding inside. We're going to do 2 rem. Then we need font size. We're going to do 3 rem. Then we're going to do, let's do a transition. We're going to do all. We're going to do 0.5. We're going to do linear. Okay. Now let's target the, oh yeah, let's do now social media. So we have this transition. Now we gotta do the hover so we can apply those certain rules to it. Go to the banner, social media, hover, and then right here we're going to use what we want the transition to do. We're going to do a background color. This background is going to be cyan, and then we're going to do a color for the icons. What color let's just do blue. Okay, now let's target the icons. Now we're going to have a width. Yes, yeah, that's right. Yeah, okay. 50% for the width of the icons, and then we want margin 0 auto, and then we want display. We're going to say grid, and then we're going to do grid template columns. Where are the template? Let me just type. Okay, right there. We're going to say repeat. Right here, how many do we need? We need 4, comma, and we need a rem because we want a little bit bigger. Just for the purpose of the video. So you don't want that big, but I want it because that's the only thing that we have. I want to make it big in the browser. Okay. Now we need the grid, a grid column gap. I think I have it right in here. And there was 0.5 rem, and then we want justify content. We want center, and that should be it. Let's save it and take a look what we have. So this is what we have now. Okay, cool. That work. Nice. So, but why is not in the center? So there is something not working. Let's take a look. Take a look what is going on. Justify content. Let's see. Let's go through the code. The icons. It's gonna be right here on the social media. So let's take a look at the code from the beginning. So we got a height, view height, display grid. Okay, that's working good. That's good. Center, that's good. Banner, social media. I don't think we have anything to do here. Yep. Checking the hover. I think that's good. The icons right here. Let's take a look at this. We got 50 margin, auto display, grid template, columns, repeat. Let's see, repeat 4. Okay. Grid column gap. Justify content. Center. Let's see. Icons, header. I think there is a typo that I have an issue with. Yeah, we're looking into this. That's so weird. I'm missing something. What am I missing? Transition. Let's see. Okay, let's take a look. What is going on? Display. Oh, oh, I know what my issue is. No, actually, no. There's a grip. Okay, let's see. Is that what I did? Is that what I did? Oh man, I would be so mad if that happens. Oh, it's great. What? See, I knew it was a typo. It is grid, not grip. Let's go back now. Save it and pan right there. That worked. Cool, guys. That was a pretty good video. As you can tell, sometimes we just mess things up, so we just gotta look at it over and over. We gotta debug it until we find the issue. So this working good. All right, thank you for checking the video, and I will see you in the next video. All right, have a good day. Bye bye.